Yes. N. Good. Open. Oh, pull. Pull. Uh-oh. Gone. Gone. Good. Do you want to open this one? It means we're all done. Done. Open mouth big. Done. Done. Got your N in there. Should we open this box? Wow. Wow. Are we going to open it? Gotta use your circle lips. Open. High five. That was a nice language. Open. Should we take the blocks out? Good. Tell me again. Out. Circle lips. Circle lips. Out. Yes, that was perfect speech. Out. Take them out. Wow, look. Wow. Is that teddy bear? Teddy bear. Oh, cry. Wow, wow, wow. Teddy bear sad. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Happy. Oh, sad. Happy. Oh, what's on top? What's that? Be a buzz. It says buzz. It's a bee. Tell me bee. Look. Bee. Oh, sad. 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 And there's a bee. Bzz. Oh no, there he is. He's sad. You do. Sad. Sad. Happy? Do you want to see happy or sad? You want to see sad? Add. Good. Try again. Add. Good boy. Sad. Oh no, he's crying. Wow, wow, wow. He's sad. You try. You do. Oh, you want to see happy or sad? You want to see happy? Oh, you want to get them out. Let's get the blocks out. Okay. Bop. Bop. Good block. Let's get the blocks out. There's one. Woohoo! Oh, we need more. Mo. Wait, finish it. Good, more. There's more blocks. That one has a doggy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Doggy. Did you see the puppy? Puppy? You try. Puppy. Puppy. Oh, it's empty. Gone. Nothing in there. It's gone. Oh, here's a duck. Happy? Oh no! You try. Add. Good try. Add. 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 Yeah, sad. Be sad. Show mommy your sad face. Oh, so sad. Happy. Jeez. Happy. Would you want the duck? You want the duck? You want duck? Quack, 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 quack. What's the duck say? Say quack, quack, quack. Yes, that's right. Try again with your scraper sound. Ready? Quack, quack, quack. Declan, do. Quack, quack, quack. Good trying. Quack, 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 quack. You try again. Quack, quack, quack. Yes, I heard it. Quack, quack, quack. Yes, quack, quack, quack. It's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Yeah, quack, quack, quack. Mama. Should we take it off? Off. Good language. Take it off. There's the duck. Oh, look. Meow. Meow. It's a cat. You tell me cat. I know you want to take it off. You have to tell me cat. Just try. Good job. Try again. Good cat. You want to take it off? You have to use your words. Off. Off. There it is. Good boy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What's that? It's a turtle. Tell me ta. Toe. Good. Ta. Toe. Oh no, yawning. I see blueberries in your teeth. Turtle. Ta. T. Oh, turtle. You take it off? Good language. Oh, look. Excuse me. That's a bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. You tell me tee, 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 tee. Yes. Tee, tee, tee. Tee, tee, tee. Do you want to take it off? Good language. Off. Oh, look, it's another bird. It's a bluebird. Bluebird. You know what this birdie says? He says, peep, 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 peep. Use your lips. Peep, peep, peep. Use your lips. Peep, peep, peep. Good trying. Peep. Good trying. Peep. Try. Peep, peep, peep. Oh, more language. Yeah, I got all your sounds. Oh, cute. Look at this one. What's that? Mouse. Wait, you have to say mouse. Ow. High five, bud. You did it. Try again. Ow. High five. One more time. Take it off. You take it off. Oh, gotta start with big mouth open. Big mouth open. Take it off. Off. Here it is. Almost done. There you go. Mouse. There's two more. See? Bunny. Bunny likes to hop, 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 hop. Yeah.